In this video, I'm going to show you the experiment IR sensor testing with mobile camera. Now, as I don't have the mobile camera, but generally IR sensor or IR light can be detected by any camera. But visually we can't see any light directly with our eyes. For this, I'm using IR sensor module. Let's give power supply to IR sensor. Let's connect the IR sensor negative to negative. In this video, you can observe that there is a small violet or blue color light coming from this LED. But when you do the project, you can't see the light coming from this LED with our eyes. You can use your mobile camera to test the light to make sure that whether the sensor is working or not. And another project, IR sensor in daylight. In this closed environment, we are unable to produce the daylight, but if we take the IR sensor into the sunlight, the sensor without any obstacle, it will going to detect the obstacle because sunlight consisting of IR rays. When the sunlight falls on the sensor detects the IR radiation from sunlight and detects that some obstacle is present, or it will give a false triggering. So we suggest you not to use the IR sensor in daylight and mostly use IR sensor in indoor applications only.